the ratio x to y is equivalent to the ratio 9 to 5. If the value of x is 162, what is the value of y? So we have this ratio x to y, and it is equal to 9 to 5. And we need to find the value of y. So y, when x is equal to 162. So the numerators are all x and the denominators are all y. So since we know that these ratios are equivalent, when x equals 9 and y equals 5, then the same proportion that x goes from 9 to 162, so that's like multiplying by some by some z value, that same proportion will give us the value of y when x equals 162. So let's find out what we multiplied 9 with to get 162. So 162 divided by 9, if we put that into our calculator, 162 divided by 9, that gives us 18. So what we did was we multiplied 9 by 18 to get 162. Now to keep the ratio the same, we'd have to do the same with 5, the value of y. So 18 times 5 is equal to 90. So when x equals 162, y has to equal 90. And a quick check we can do is find the actual value of this fraction. So what should happen is that 9 over 5 should equal 162 divided by 90. So 9 divided by 5 is equal to 1.8. And 162 divided by 90 is also equal to 1.8. So that means that y does equal 90 when x equals 162. So the value of y is 90.